Hi guys. Okay, so Felicity Jane is no longer. They let us know that they're no longer going to be in business. They're on to new adventures. So this is going to be Stamps of Life and LaLa Cramps. Yes, Cramps. It's on my mind. Don't know why, but whatever. So LaLa Land Crafts. Oh, crafts. Okay, so this is this month's. Oh, this is our freebie. How cute. I love that. I love stickers, so stickers are perfect. And oh, this is really pretty. So this is Jingle Bells stamp set. I like that. I love that, actually. Really, it's a lot of fun. Big bells. That's awesome. What do you guys think? Oh, let me turn this a little bit. Okay, not so much glare. Yeah, I love that. Okay, so that's the Stamps of Life, and this is $26 and change, and you get the die and the stamp set, which is great. I think a great value. Now this one is, I can't believe it's already been a month, you guys. I keep saying that every time I open up these darn kits because I'm like, oh my god, time is just flying by. It really is. It's going to be Christmas before we know it. Okay, so this is LaLa Land, and oh, look how cute. They're, oh gosh, it's Disco Marcy. Oh my gosh, and you get the little boom box, you get the cassette tape and the disco ball, and you get cows that are dancing. I love it. Oh my gosh, so cute. So, I love the big rubber. Oh, look at that cassette. Oh, that's a big size too. And can you guys see that? Let me see. Are you gonna focus? There we go. Look at the detail. That's great detail. And the boom box. Love that. And the disco ball. I love that. Okay, yep, it's good. I love this kit. This kit is $49.95, I believe. And remember that this right here, you take off the back, you cut it with your scissors, you cut the rubber out, put it on your board, just like that, and they stay. Well, they normally stay if you don't mess with them. Okay, they do the job they need to do. Okay, so yeah. So all right guys, that's it for this month. I'll see you probably in a week. Bye.